Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
Okay, we can take New York City or New York, going to our Google Trends, paste it, and select the location, United States. So we can take this one. See how much people are searching for New York. So we can take New York. Control C, go to your doc and paste it. Use semicolon. Going to rapid text, I am searching for event hall in best event hall in New York. Generate it. And it will give me this keyword. So I will take this one and again we'll move to the Google Trends search bar and paste it and enter. United States. Enter. I think for network issue I can't reload the page. Okay. Okay. Going to rapid text and let me best event hall in New York or best banquet hall. Let me just search for best banquet hall. That tag Google Trends is not taking, so let me change that keywords. Okay, so I can take this one and going to our Google Trends, just paste it and search for it. How much people are taking this keyword or searching for it? Okay, okay. So we can't take this one. This is not showing at all. So this is how you can search, you can generate your keywords which you want. Going to rapid text first, then put a keyword which you want to generate. Okay, event hall, banquet hall near me, New York. Maybe my network is poor, that's why right now it is not reloading. So like this best banquet hall in New York, like that you have to generate it, and whatever this rapid text will provide you, you have to take related with your project keywords, and you have to go to the Google Trends and paste it and use the location and search for the keywords. So Google Trends will provide the ranking of the keyword search, and it will also provide the sub region which is below 80. You will not take that text, that keywords, and copy that keywords and go to your Google Doc and just save it with a semicolon. Just paste it and use the semicolon. This is how you can search the keywords and take the best keywords which you want. So that's all for today practical part.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification click the bell icon.